Hi, I'm Bryan from Syntax Technologies. In today's SQL Accounting System tutorial, I'll talk about Sales Debit Note. Let's go to SQL. Well, Sales Debit Note normally you will issue to your customer if you have not charged them for certain things during the previous invoice to them. But after GST era, normally we will not issue a debit note to customer, but directly we issue another invoice. But just in case if you do have debit note, what you need to do is go to Sales Debit Note. Previously, the icon debit note is over here, but now it's replaced by SQL POS system. So you need to go to debit note through the above menu. So go to Sales Debit Note. Once you go in, same like others, is a listing of all the debit note you have created before. You can select, or you want to select any debit note you want to edit, click on it, click on edit, or you want to search for a particular debit note. So you can use different criteria to search for it. Maybe the debit note number, just type in the number you want to search, then it will appear. Else you can use company name, descriptions, or amount to search. If you want to use any criteria that is not over here, you can right click any column title, field chooser, drag out the field that you want. Then you can use this field to search. Else you don't want it, just drag, put back. Or you can right click any column that you don't want to appear, right click on the column title, remove this column. Another way is at the column title, most left there is a small button with multiple lines. Click on it. Maybe you want to use area, click on area, then area will appear. You don't want it appear, untick it. So to create a new debit note, click on new. Everything will be set up within one page. We start with selecting the customer. Try not to scroll and look for the customer, but just type the name. If when you type the name nothing appears, it's because your focusing now is not under company name, it's at another column. So what you need to do is click on the tab key on your keyboard. One time, it will jump to another column and make it go back to company name. So select the customer. Same things, go to select the item. You can use code or description by just typing the name or description of the item. Okay, so if you want to have more description and it's not over here, you can do the field chooser, drag out the more description, and you can key in the more description. There's no limit on this part. Close and only click on Save Changes. Put in the quantity, put in discount if you want to, maybe it's 10% or 5 ringgit. So with percentage, sign is a percentage, without it is an amount. Okay, so plus another item if you want to. At the left hand side, there's more information that you can key. You can do attachment to attach or create a link to a related document or picture to this debit note. Put in note. If you're satisfied with this, then click on save. Then you have your debit note. You can print it or preview it. There's different format for you to choose from. Let's say you like this format. Then you can print it, or you can actually export out to other formats such as PDF and email to your client. So basically this is how you do a sales debit note in SQL Accounting System. Once again, I'm Bryan from Syntax Technologies. Thank you for watching.